Do you enjoy stories about the American dream, history, survival, and courage? Then you will love They Called Us Enemy by American hero George Takei, famously known for his outstanding performance as Lieutenant Hikaru Sulu in Star Trek on the USS Enterprise. This is a beautiful graphic novel following George, his little brother Henry, and his family during the 1940s following the Pearl Harbor attack and the wrongful imprisonment of American citizens, from the perspective of a small child that is filled with important policies and information given to us by George later on in life. We follow his family from LA through the years of imprisonment in two separate internment camps in the United States. The family is faced with horrifying injustice, racism, and struggles that test the American dream. They Call Us Enemies. They Call Us Enemies is a story of resilience and the American way. Join George in his journey with his family through World War II and shocking racism